I'm sitting in my home office in Austin, Texas, and I get a notification on my phone that Austin has now been put under lockdown. The restaurants and bars are closed. They're only available for takeout and delivery. They're limiting the amount of people that are going into the grocery store. And when people are having gatherings or meetings of any kind, they're only limiting that to 10 people. Immediately, all these crazy thoughts go through my head, and I start playing the what if game. And I don't know if you've played the what if game, but that can get out of control pretty quickly. I think to myself, what if I can't get into the grocery store? What if I can't get the food that I need? What if I have a medical emergency unrelated to the virus and I can't get the medical help that I need? What if my family and friends get this virus? My name is Diandra Marquez, and I'm a master trainer at Dale Carnegie Training. The good news is Dale Carnegie has 30 stress principles to help us during this time of stress and worry. One that I've been using and has been really helpful, Dale Carnegie said it helps us break the worry habit, is keep busy. So what does keep busy mean? Well, for me, there are two things that I absolutely love to do. I love to work out and I love to read. So what I've done with reading is I've actually put together a list of books, both fiction and professional development, that I've been trying to get to, but just have not had the time. And anytime I'm feeling stressed and worried, I pick up the book that I've chosen for this month or this week, and that's one way that I keep busy. Another good way is journaling, writing down your thoughts, writing down things that you're thankful for. That can help us continue to focus on the positive things that are happening. In regards to working out, obviously all the gyms are closed because of the lockdown, so I've had to become innovative. I've put together my own home workouts, and after working throughout the day, in the evening time, I go outside and I do the workout, and I also get the opportunity to have some fresh air. So what is it that you can do to keep busy? Dale Carnegie said in his book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, that our mind can't focus fully on two things. So if we're doing something besides worrying about what's going on, then we're able to forget about that for a moment and really be focused on whatever we're doing to keep busy. So what could that be for you? Whether it's something that you've been meaning to do around the house and just haven't been able to get to, or maybe it's a new hobby that you could start to do. Find something to help you keep busy because it'll also help you stay productive. Dale Carnegie is here as a resource. Please feel free to reach out to us and we can provide you with those 30 stress principles to help you during this time so that your mind doesn't play the what if game. We're all in this together and we're going to get through this. We just have to continue to keep busy. So I challenge you to do that. And when you keep busy, you'll be able to stay productive and also stay sane, healthy, and safe during this time.